Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer email capture funnels for affiliates with MailerLite easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your MailerLite account. Navigate to the Websites tab on the left sidebar. Select Create a new website to start the process. Choose a template that suits your email capture funnel. Click Edit to customize the selected template. Add a suitable title for your funnel. In the Content section, drag and drop the elements you need, like forms and buttons. Edit the form settings to capture the necessary information from your affiliates. For each input field, customize the placeholder text to guide the users. In the Settings tab, configure the success pop-up message to confirm submissions. Next, navigate to the Integrations section to connect your email list. Select Add Integration and choose your preferred email list for affiliates. Once satisfied, click Save and then publish your funnel. To transfer the funnel to other affiliates, go to the Campaigns tab. Select the funnel you want to share and click on Share. Create a shareable link that affiliates can use. Ensure that you specify access permissions according to your requirements. Send the shared link to your affiliates through email or your preferred communication channel. Instruct affiliates on how to duplicate the funnel into their own MailerLite accounts. Remind them to check and configure their own settings to match their branding. Lastly, encourage them to test the funnel before promoting it. That's it. Your email capture funnels are now ready for affiliates to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.